math, physics, computer science, chemistry, biology, math assignment, physics assignment, chemistry assignment, biology assignment, projects, exams coming up in next week, your personal project, competitive exams. It's like being in a never-ending maze of academic demands. But fear not. In this epic video, we're about to embark on an adventure that will unveil the secrets to conquering the beast known as managing multiple subjects. Get ready for a thrilling journey filled with tips, tricks, and survival strategies that will level up your academic game. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in the realm of higher education, there existed a league of extraordinary students who possessed a secret power, the ability to conquer the mightiest subjects without breaking a sweat. These college superheroes had cracked the code of managing multiple subjects and were determined to share their wisdom with fellow students, like you. Enter our hero, Max, an ambitious college student navigating the treacherous terrain of multitasking. Burdened with assignments, projects, and looming deadlines, Max felt overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of their academic load. But fate had something extraordinary in store for Max, a chance encounter with the legendary study sensei, Master Chang. Master Chang, a wise and seasoned warrior of education, took Max under their wing and unveiled the secrets of effective subject management. Through epic tales of academic battles won, Master Chang revealed the 5 pillars of subject mastery. Powerful techniques that would forever change Max's approach to learning. As Max embarked on their training, they discovered the first pillar, the art of prioritization. Master Chang taught Max how to identify the critical subjects that required immediate attention and how to allocate their time accordingly. No longer would Max be overwhelmed by the sheer number of subjects, but would instead focus their energy on the most impactful ones. But the journey didn't stop there. Max delved deeper into the second pillar, the magic of time chunking. Master Chang taught Max how to divide their study sessions into focused chunks, each dedicated to a specific subject. This technique unleashed Max's productivity, allowing them to tackle multiple subjects with ease. As Max grew stronger in their academic prowess, they encountered the third pillar, the Enigma of Active Learning. Master Chang revealed the power of engaging with the subjects through interactive methods, such as group discussions, practical exercises, and teaching others. Max realized that active learning not only made studying more enjoyable but also enhanced their understanding and retention. But wait, there's more. Max's journey led them to the fourth pillar, the mastery of organization. Master Chang unveiled the art of creating personalized study systems using digital tools, apps, and good old-fashioned planning. And finally, the ultimate pillar, the science of balance. Master Chang emphasized the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance, nurturing personal well-being, and taking breaks. Max realized that self-care was the secret ingredient to sustained academic success. And so, armed with the 5 pillars of subject mastery, Max transformed into a legendary college superhero, capable of conquering any academic challenge that came their way. Now, it's your turn. Embrace these principles, unleash your potential, and triumph over the daunting task of managing multiple subjects. Remember, you have the power within you to tame the chaos, excel in each subject, and create a harmonious academic journey. Embrace the challenge, conquer your fears, and become the master of your own educational destiny. With the 5 pillars as your guide, you are now equipped to embark on your own epic quest of subject management. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? The choice is yours.